stop scrolling for a second, because if you live in a tiny home or small apartment, these space-saving furniture finds might completely change how your space works. Today we're checking out some incredibly smart furniture pieces designed to maximize every inch, add hidden storage, and make compact homes feel far more functional and organized. Some of these are seriously clever, and if you want to check any of them out, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description below. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off with a small upgrade that makes your living room instantly more functional. This wood sofa armrest tray simply rests over your couch arm and turns it into a stable mini table for drinks, snacks, remotes, or your phone. Instead of adding another side table that eats up floor space, everything stays right within reach. The foldable wooden design also adapts to different sofa arms while staying compact. For tiny homes and apartments, this clever little tray adds convenience without clutter. Most versions usually cost around $20 to $30. Next, something incredibly useful for compact homes. This adjustable height rolling desk glides smoothly on caster wheels, allowing it to move easily between your couch, bed, or workspace. The height adjustment lets you switch comfortably between sitting and standing positions during work or study sessions. Instead of dedicating space to a permanent desk setup, this compact workstation adapts instantly to wherever you need it. It's perfect for small apartments where flexibility matters. Most adjustable rolling desks usually range around $50 to $80. Now here's a clever way to unlock hidden space. This couch table slides neatly behind your sofa and transforms that unused strip into a practical surface for lamps, drinks, decor, or charging devices. Its slim profile keeps things minimal while adding surprising functionality to your living room. Because it stays narrow and elevated, it doesn't crowd the space the way bulky furniture can. Suddenly, the back of your couch becomes valuable storage space. Most couch tables generally fall around $60 to $100. Next, a storage piece that also upgrades your room's vibe. This corner shelf with built-in LED lighting fits perfectly into empty corners while stacking storage vertically to save valuable floor space. Each tier provides room for plants, books, collectibles, or decorative accents. Meanwhile, the soft LED lighting adds a modern glow that instantly elevates the room's atmosphere. It's both a functional organizer and a stylish decor piece. Most LED corner shelves usually sit somewhere around $70 to $120. Up next, a bookshelf that doubles as statement decor. This 6-tier tree bookshelf arranges books along angled branch-style shelves that resemble a modern decorative tree. Instead of spreading books across wide shelves, the vertical design saves floor space while still holding plenty of items. That makes it perfect for apartments where every inch counts. At the same time, its unique shape adds personality and visual interest to the room. Most tree bookshelves typically range around $60 to $90. Another smart corner solution comes next. This 3-tier corner shelf is designed to make use of those awkward empty angles in your room. The triangular structure fits perfectly into corners, while offering layered storage for plants, candles, books, or everyday essentials. Because the design rises vertically, it adds storage without taking up extra floor space. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly effective for compact apartments. Most 3-tier corner shelves usually cost around $30 to $50. Now here's a compact table built for tight spaces. This wooden C-shaped end table slides neatly under your couch or bed so the tabletop sits right beside you. That makes it perfect for laptops, coffee mugs, snacks, or quick work sessions. The slim open frame design keeps things lightweight while fitting easily into narrow spaces. It's one of those simple furniture upgrades that makes everyday living much more convenient. Most C-shaped end tables usually range around $40 to $70. Now let's switch to comfort for a moment. This beanbag chair provides relaxed seating without the bulky frame of traditional chairs. The soft filling molds around your body, creating a cozy place for reading, gaming, or watching movies. Because it's lightweight, you can easily move it around whenever needed. That flexibility makes it especially useful in apartments where furniture sometimes needs to shift quickly. Comfortable, casual, and space-friendly. Most beanbag chairs usually fall somewhere around $50 to $100. Next comes a seating piece with serious cozy vibes. This Wicker Papasan chair features a round cushioned seat supported by a sturdy woven frame that creates a comfortable lounging spot. Its open, airy structure helps the room feel spacious while still delivering plush comfort. Whether placed in a living room corner, reading nook, or bedroom, it instantly creates a relaxed atmosphere. Stylish and inviting without taking over the room. Most Papasan chairs typically range around $100 to $150. Moving on with a coffee table that visually opens up your space. This modern glass coffee table uses a transparent tabletop that allows light to pass through, making the living area feel more open. Unlike bulky wooden tables, the clear design keeps the room looking airy and uncluttered. At the same time, it still provides a practical surface for drinks, books, or decorative items. It's a subtle design trick that works beautifully in small apartments. Most glass coffee tables usually range around $80 to $120. And hey, if any of these smart space-saving finds caught your eye, you'll find every product link waiting for you right down in the description below. Up next, a compact table that adds style without taking up much space. This tall, round end table features a slim pedestal base that keeps the footprint small while still offering a practical surface. The decorated tabletop adds visual character, making it perfect for displaying plants, candles, or a small lamp. Because of its vertical design, it fits easily beside sofas, beds, or reading chairs. It's a subtle furniture piece that improves both function and aesthetics. Most versions usually cost around $40 to $60. Next, a minimalist option for relaxed living spaces. This low coffee table keeps your seating area open while still providing a useful surface for drinks, books, or decorative accents. Its lower profile makes the room feel less crowded compared to bulky tables, which works beautifully in small apartments. The simple design blends easily with many decor styles while maintaining practicality. It's ideal for casual lounge setups or cozy living areas. Most low coffee tables generally range around $50 to $90. Now here's a clever way to keep everyday essentials organized. This wood rotary coat rack stands vertically while offering multiple hooks for coats, bags, hats, or scarves. Instead of spreading items across chairs or sofas, everything stays neatly in one spot. The rotating design makes it easy to grab what you need without crowding the room. Because it rises upward rather than outward, it saves valuable floor space in small homes. Most wooden coat racks usually fall around $30 to $60. Up next, a small seating upgrade that fits almost anywhere. This vanity stool offers compact seating that works perfectly beside dressing tables, desks, or even in small entryways. Its lightweight design allows it to move easily between rooms when extra seating is needed. Despite its smaller size, it still provides comfortable support while keeping the room visually uncluttered. It's a simple addition that brings both practicality and style to tight spaces. Most vanity stools generally range around $30 to $60. Now let's protect your furniture while keeping things comfortable for pets. This pet couch cover helps shield your sofa from fur, scratches, and everyday wear while giving your pet a cozy place to relax. The protective fabric spreads easily across cushions and stays in place during daily use. For small homes where furniture serves multiple purposes, it helps maintain cleanliness without sacrificing comfort. It's practical for both pet owners and their living rooms. Most couch covers usually cost around $20 to $40. Next comes another smart workspace solution. This laptop adjustable desk allows you to work comfortably from the couch, bed, or floor seating areas. The adjustable angles help position your laptop at a comfortable viewing level, reducing strain during longer work sessions. Some versions also include small compartments for a mouse or tablet. Because it folds easily when not in use, it's ideal for compact homes where storage matters. Most laptop desks typically range around $25 to $50. Now here's a storage solution hiding in plain sight. These underbed storage containers make use of the large empty space beneath your bed to store clothes, blankets, or seasonal items. Instead of overcrowding closets or shelves, you can neatly organize items out of sight but still within reach. Many versions feature clear lids or label windows for quick identification. It's a simple way to maximize unused space in small apartments. Most underbed storage containers usually range around $30 to $60. Moving along, this next item makes everyday chores easier. These laundry baskets with wheels allow you to move heavy laundry loads effortlessly from bedroom to laundry area. The rolling design reduces lifting while keeping clothes neatly contained in one place. Many designs include breathable materials or removable liners for easy cleaning. In smaller homes where space and efficiency matter, this practical basket keeps things organized. Most wheeled laundry baskets generally fall around $30 to $50. Now here's a favorite for tight spaces. This slim storage cart with wheels slides perfectly between narrow gaps such as beside refrigerators, cabinets, or bathroom counters. The tiered shelves provide extra storage for kitchen supplies, cleaning products, or toiletries without taking up much room. Because it rolls smoothly, you can easily pull it out whenever you need access. It's one of those simple organizers that instantly creates extra storage. Most slim storage carts usually cost around $25 to $40. And finally, last but not least, a small organizer that makes linen storage far easier. This Bedsheets Organizer keeps sheet sets neatly folded together so pillowcases and sheets stay in one place. Instead of messy linen piles inside closets, everything stays compact and easy to grab when needed. The structured design helps maximize shelf space while keeping things tidy. For small homes where closet space is limited, this organizer brings a surprisingly satisfying level of order. Most bedsheet organizers typically range around $15 to $30. And that wraps up this lineup of smart space-saving furniture designed for tiny homes and small apartments. From clever multifunction tables to compact storage solutions, these pieces prove you don't need a huge space to live comfortably and stay organized. Small upgrades like these can completely change how your home works day to day.